Create a Stripe payment link in under 2 minutes. So we're here in Stripe. Simply look over here under our shortcuts. Look for the option payment links. Selecting the payment link will relocate us or redirect us to our page over here. And what you're going to do to be able to start creating a new one is to click on the new button over here on the top right, which will allow us to be redirected to this page. Now in this page, you can see a preview and your information's over here. So first things first, you can select a type, whether it's a product or for a subscription, or customer choose what to pay, which is best for tipping, donations, and pay what you want. After that, you could enter the name of your payment link over here, enter a description, add an image if you prefer, and select the currency that you want to use. You could suggest a preset amount over here. So if you want $5 as a preset amount, you could set that. And then you could also set limits such as minimum amount and maximum amount. Aside from that, after creating it, after saving it, you will then be able to see here our payment link information. So you have your details, your payment methods, and the products over here. You could also copy or create a buy now button that you could paste on your websites, such as your WordPress websites, and so on and so forth. So you can easily create a card or a button over here that you can simply put on any of your websites. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.